So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop auto backup in your Google Photos. So before starting the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So first of all, go to your phone Google Photos app. Here you can see in the top right corner your profile picture. Just click on your profile picture. Here you can see an option of backup complete. Just click on the backup complete, and there you can see backup is on and backup of photos and videos on the device automatically. Just simply click on it. Now it is turned off. Here you can see backup is off. Now your photos and videos won't automatically back off. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.